Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial part of the data pipeline that often goes unnoticed but plays a massive role in preparing data for analysis and reporting. That's right. We are talking about the data staging area. Whether you are into data engineering, warehousing, or just curious how raw data becomes useful, this is where it all begins. Let us see the quick intro about data staging area. In data warehousing and data mining, effective processing of data is crucial to taking intelligent business decisions. One of the important components that facilitate smooth integration of data is the data staging area. Studies indicate that more than 80% of the data professionals waste significant time on data cleaning and preparation. An efficient DSA can make it all much easier, saving time, reducing errors, and improving overall data quality. By implementing a proper staging area, companies can provide cleaner, more dependable data for more informed decision making. Let us see what is data staging area. This is the data flow process in a data warehousing system. Data sources like databases, files, or cloud storage sends raw data to the data staging area where data is temporarily stored and processed. From there, data moves into the data warehouse for long term storage. Finally, that stored data is used for data mining and analysis to extract insights. It's a simplified ETL, extract, transform, load pipeline. Now, a data staging area is an intermediate storage area used for processing, cleansing, and transforming raw data before loading it into a data warehouse. It acts as a buffer between source system and the target data warehouse, ensuring data consistency and quality. What are the types of data staging area? There are two types of data staging area. First one, external staging, and second one, internal staging. Let us see what is external staging. Think of external staging as a waiting room for your data before it enters a data warehouse. Instead of dumping everything directly into the warehouse, businesses often store their raw data in cloud storage solutions like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage first. Why do this? Because it gives data engineers a chance to clean things up a bit, removing duplicates, formatting the data, or making quick fixes before sending it into the warehouse. The data is usually stored in lightweight, efficient formats like JSON, sometimes compressed to save space. Now, why is external staging useful? External staging is useful because it acts as a temporary workspace for handling data before it enters into the data warehouse. Ideal for real time or streaming data needing fast responding, helps with very large raw data sets that can't go directly into the warehouse, allows you to merge or update data safely without affecting the main warehouse. It improves efficiency, reduces storage costs, and keeps your data clean and organized before final storage. Now let us see what is internal staging. Internal staging is like giving your data a prep room inside the data warehouse before it gets fully processed. Instead of keeping raw data in external storage, it's loaded directly into the warehouse either before or after any transformation takes place. Most modern cloud data warehouses have a built-in staging area where raw data is stored separately from processed data. This setup allows data engineers to clean, transform, and structure the data without interfering with existing reports and analytics. Why is internal staging useful? Internal staging happens inside the data warehouse and is useful for better control and performance. Uses the warehouse powers to perform advanced data transformation. Improves query speed with indexing on staging tables. Keeps raw and processed data separate, making the workflow cleaner and more organized. It ensures faster processing, structured data, and efficient reporting all within the warehouse. Now, role of data staging area in data warehousing. A data staging area is essential for data integration, aggregating data from multiple heterogeneous sources, data cleansing, identifying and removing errors and missing values, data transformation, converting raw data into a structured format suitable for analysis, performance optimization, reducing the load on the data warehouse by performing ETL operations outside the main warehouse. Data staging area architecture. A well structured data staging area typically includes the following components. First one, data extraction layer extracts data from multiple source systems such as databases, flat files, and cloud storage. Second one, processing layer cleans, validates, and transforms data using ETL tools like Informatica, APAC, and NiFi. Storage layer, a temporary repository that holds raw and processed data before loading into the data warehouse. Fourth one, metadata management maintains data lineage, schema information, and transformation rules to ensure traceability and governance. Key processes in a data staging area. Data extraction. Data is collected from various source systems including relational databases, NoSQL databases, spreadsheets, and cloud services. The extraction process ensures that data is up to date and relevant. Data cleansing. Raw data often contains duplicates, missing values, or inconsistency. The cleaning process involves deduplication, data standardization, error handling, validation checks. And third one, data transformation. Once cleaned, the data undergoes transformation to match the required format of the data warehouse. This includes aggregation, normalization, and denormalization, data type conversions, business rule applications. Fourth one, data loading. The final step is loading the transformed data into the data warehouse. This can be done in batches or through real time streaming depending on business requirements. Benefits of a data staging area. A well implemented data staging area offers numerous advantages. They are enhanced data quality, ensures only clean and validated data enters the data warehouse. Performance efficiency offloads processing from the main data warehouse, improving query performance. Flexibility supports multiple data sources and transformation rules. Error handling and recovery allows data validation and correction before final loading. reducing downstream issues. Now let us see a case study. How a retail company improved data processing with a staging area. A retail company faced inaccurate reports due to inconsistent sales data from multiple sources. After implementing a data staging area, they achieved 40% faster data processing, 95% fewer data inconsistencies, better decision making accuracy. This shows how a well designed staging area can streamline data handling and boost business performance. This example highlights the tangible benefits as a well planned data staging area can bring to organizations. Now, let us see the best practices for implementing a data staging area. First one, choose the right ETL tool. Use scalable ETL tools to automate data extraction, transformation, and loading. Second one, optimize storage. Use efficient database structures or cloud based storage for a fast processing. Third one, implement data governance. Maintain data lineage and metadata to ensure compliance and traceability. Fourth one, monitor performance. Regularly track ETL jobs, processing time, and storage usage for optimization. And the fifth one, automate error handling. Implementing logging mechanisms to detect and correct errors in real time. Let us see an real world example. Amazon data staging in. Imagine you order a smartphone on Amazon. Here's how the data staging area ensures smooth processing. Let us see first the flow process of this. First, the customer orders, then its staging areas stores like AWS S3, and it goes to data cleaning and deduplication, and it goes to data transformation, and then warehouse processing, and finally it goes to data warehouse AWS Redshift. Now let us see these terms. First, order placement. You place an order via Amazon website or app. Second one, data staging. The order details like customer info, product ID, payment status are stored in a staging area like AWS S3. And the third one, cleaning and verification. The system removes duplicates, checks payment success, and validates your address. Fourth one, data transformation. The order is formatted, assigned a unique ID, and linked to the closest warehouse. Fifth one, warehouse processing. The cleaned and structured data moves to Amazon's warehouse system, triggering order fulfillment. And the sixth one, final storage. Processed data enters Amazon data warehouse for tracking, inventory management, and analytics. Now, why it matters? Because it has no duplicate or failed orders, prevents double charges. Second one, faster shipping, optimized routing to the nearest warehouse. Third one, fraud detection, flags suspicious payment before processing. Fourth one, better insights. Amazon can predict demand and restock efficiently. Now let us see the conclusion of the data staging area. In data staging area ensures data is clean, consistent, and ready for analysis. Supports better integration, governance, and decision making. Essential in modern data driven enterprises. Now, thank you.